My name is Tumelo Nkwe. I'm 21-year-old guy. I'm from Uchudi and I'm right here. I was born right here in Botswana and I love presenting because, of course, I love to become a celebrity. One day to go to Hollywood and to walk on the red carpet, interview the celebrities, go into their lifestyle. It's what I want to be. I've got the energy and the passion to become a presenter. Good evening at home, and it's a pleasure to be back. My name is Tumelo Nkwe, and you're watching your #1 TV show on the planet, Gemstone. Today we're at the Cresta President Hotel. We'll be having audition in different categories. Could it be modeling, singing, acting, dancing, even presenting? If you believe you've got the talent to do one of those categories, this is the right show for you. Make sure they come to the audition. Auditions start only from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m. Make sure you come this side and showcase your talent. Who knows? You can become like our own gemstone. We'll be right back with more on dance. Don't go anywhere.